Hey everyone, my name is Tom Morrison. I'm the Marketing Manager and Renewable Energy Sales Manager for Heyco products. Hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, and staying healthy. While I'm in isolation these next couple weeks, I thought it'd be a good idea to highlight our most popular products used in the solar industry. Our products are manufactured in Toms River, New Jersey. Many of our solar products carry a 20-year warranty, and we manufacture anything from PV module clips for attaching directly to the PV module frame, top rail clips for use on Iron Ridge, Unirac, or Everest systems. And then we also manufacture cord grips, so for a liquid tight connection into a junction box or a combiner box, whether it's a single cable or multiple cables, we also manufacture those. We also manufacture a number of other unique wire management devices for the solar industry, like our Max Runner. And then, even though it's not wire management, we do also offer our sunscreen mesh, which is actually used on top of a PV module to prevent rodents from nesting underneath the module. So before I get into anything product specific, I'd like to show you our quick reference guide if you haven't already seen it. Our quick reference guide makes it really easy for the installers, kind of takes all the guesswork out of it. So starting with our PV module clips, we have several of those, and then we get into our top rail clips. Like I had mentioned, Unirac, Iron Ridge, Everest, and other popular racking manufacturers. And then everything else that's typically used in the solar installation, like our popular sun bunglers, those appear on the back. So this is available online as a PDF, also available in print. So if after any of these videos you'd like to get your hands on one, don't hesitate to reach out and I'll get one in the mail to you. So having said that, our most popular clip for residential and commercial installations is our SunRunner Clip. It's got a 20-year warranty, it's a PV module clip, and we have two different part numbers. So for residential installation, you might need only a couple hundred pieces. For a commercial or utility scale job, you might need several thousand. So even though it's the same part, we have two different SKUs depending on how many you need. With that said, our PV module clip, our SunRunner S6445 or S6405, works with a variety of different PV module manufacturers. All of them have varying material thicknesses. So our SunRunner clips works between 0.06 inches and 0.09 inches as far as material thickness. So a pretty broad range for there. And then it can accommodate up to 2 cables. Those cables can range from 0.20 inches to 0.33 inches. If you're fortunate enough and can pre-arrange your wire management on the ground before your modules even get up on the roof, and then you can make your final adjustments once you're on the roof, great. Otherwise, these clips are relatively easy to install once you are on the roof. So in a typical residential or commercial installation, you have your PV module, you've got your junction box coming off the back of your module. It's typically 2 leads. This is just an RV module, so I only have 1 lead. And then you have a microinverter, which is installed on your top rail. Your PV module is also installed on that top rail as well. So the best way for routing that cable from the back of your PV module junction box up to the microinverter is with our SunRunner Clip. And I'll show you just how easy that is. I already have 1 cable on here. It might be difficult to come off. So just to show you, the PV wire is typically longer than it needs to be. So what I've seen installers do is create some sort of service loop, just so they don't have to cut and splice that cable while they're on the roof. So they'll just create a service loop, which I've done here, and then I can go ahead and use my wire management clip, my SunRunner clip. So I've got 2 cables. And then I've got my SunRunner clip. I will insert the SunRunner clip onto the cables. And our clip features a unique spring retention tab. So even though I'm using the clip for both cables, that unique spring retention tab is making individual contact with each cable. So some of our competitors' clips don't have that spring retention tab. So over time, you might start to see those cables start to sag on the roof. With ours, that unique spring retention tab really provides side-to-side retention on the cable, which is excellent for an installation. And then I'll show you just how easy it is to install into the PV module. And most of our PV module clips get anywhere from 12 to 15 pounds of force, meaning that I can apply 12 to 15 pounds of force before that clip fails. And we typically recommend that we use 1 clip per PV module, depending on the load, the weight of the load of the cable. So that's this week's video, and I look forward to sharing many other videos next week.